Good morning to all. Today our chapter is right circular cylinder. That is mensuration chapter. Right circular cylinder. First to draw one cylinder. This is the base of the cylinder, and this one is base radius, and this is the top, and this is the height. Height denoted by h, and the radius of the base of the cylinder is r. Now, first formula required, that is the capacity of the cylinder. Capacity means volume. Capacity or volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Okay. Pi r square h. And area of the base. Area of the base. Formula is what? Pi r square, as it is a circle. Area of the base is pi r square. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. Formula is 2 pi r, means circumference of the base into h. Curved surface area of cylinder. Next is total surface area. Total surface area formula is curved surface area plus 2 into area of base. 2 into area of base. The curved surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus 2 into pi r square, area of the base. You can take 2 pi r common. Inside the bracket it will be h plus r. This is the formula for total surface area. Square unit, curved surface area square unit, area of the base square unit, and this one is volume in cubic, centimeter cube or meter cube. Okay, these are the formula required for right circular cylinder. Let us go to the exercise part. Question number 1. Find the volume, curved surface area and total surface area of each of the cylinder whose dimensions are given. Dimension given. First one, just see, number 1, first part. A radius given 7 cm, height given 50 cm. The volume formula is what? Pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7 into radius 7 into 7 because r square into 50. After simplification it is coming 7700 centimeter cube. This is the volume for cylinder. Let us go next. The curved surface area formula 2 pi r h. Total surface area 2 pi r whole into h plus r. Therefore curved surface area will be 2 pi. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius 7 given. Height 50 given. After simplification it is coming 2200 centimeter square. Next, total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r whole into h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7, radius 7 into 50 plus 7, 57, and this is 44. It is coming 2508 centimeter square. Okay, this is the first part. All the three things complete: volume, curved surface area, and total surface area. Next, second part, radius given 5.6 meter, height given 1.25 meter. The volume formula is what? Pi r square h. Just put in the value here. 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 5.6 into 1.25. Just after simplicity coming 123.2 meter cube. The curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 56 by 10 into height 125 by 100. After simplification it is coming 44 meter square. Next, total surface area. Total surface area formula 2 pi r whole into h plus r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 56 by 10 whole into 125 100 plus 56 by 10. After simplification it is coming 241.12 meter square. Okay. Next is third part. The third part, radius given 14 decimeter, height given 15 meter. The decimeter you convert meter, 14 by 10 it will be meter. Volume formula pi r square h. Just calculate. Pi means 22 by 7, radius 14 by 10, 14 by 10 into height 15. After simplification it is coming 92.4 meter cube. This is the volume of cylinder having radius 14 by 10 meter and height 15 meter. Let us go. Curved surface area 2 pi r h, putting the value 2 into 22 by 7, radius 14 by 10, height 15. It is coming 132 meter square. Total surface area 2 pi r 4 into h plus r. Just put these values. After that it is coming 144.32 meter square. Okay. In this way number 1 all the parts completed. Question number 2. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and height given 10.5 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So first of all, see what is given. Radius given 1.5 meter, height given 10.5 meter. Okay, capacity you have to find out. Just see. Height 1.5 meter, sorry, height 10.5 meter, radius given 1.5 meter. You have to draw on rough diagram the cylinder, volume, the capacity, pi r square h. Put the value pi means 22/7, radius 15/10, 2 times you have to write, height 105/10. After simplification it is coming 74.25 meter cube. If you multiply 1000 then it will convert it to liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. That is 74.25 into 1000 is coming 74,250 liters. Okay. I think it's clear. Number 2. Let us go question number 3. Question number 3. A wooden cylindrical pole is 7 meter height and its base radius 10 centimeter. Height given 7 meter, radius given 10 centimeter. Find its weight if the wood weight 2 to 5 kg per cubic meter. Per cubic meter. See, radius 10 centimeter, height given 7 meter. That means 7 into 100, 700 centimeter. The volume formula is what? Pi r square h. Putting the value pi 22/7, radius 10 into 10 because radius given 10, square given, h 7 into 100. After it is coming 2240 centimeter cube. Dividing 100 into 100 into 100, then converted to meter cube. 22/100. This is the volume. Because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, you have to divide. Okay. Next. Weight of wood for 1 meter cube equal to 2 to 5 kg. Therefore, weight of wood for 22/100 meter cube equal to how much? Just multiply. It is coming 198/4, 49.5 kg. In this question number 3 also completed. Let us go question number 4. Question number 4 it is given. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume given 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base given 140 centimeters. Okay. So what is given here? Diameter given 140 centimeter, radius given. Radius will be how much? Diameter half, 140/2, 70 centimeter. Convert meter 70/100, it will be meter, 7/10 meter. Volume given 1.54 meter cube. Now apply formula. Volume formula is what? Pi r square h. Putting volume is equal to 1.54 pi 22/7, radius 7/10, 2 times you have to write, into height. Height not given, you have to find out. After simplification, it is coming height is equal to 1. 1 means height of the cylinder equal to 1 meter. In this way, question number 4 also completed. Question number 5. The volume of a cylinder circular iron rod of length 1 meter is 3850 centimeter cube. Find its diameter. Diameter you have to find out. So first of all, see what is given. Height means length given 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Volume given 3850 centimeter cube. To find diameter means 2 into radius. Formula is what? Volume pi r square h. V is equal to volume 3850 pi 22/7, radius not given, r square keep it, h given, height given 100. After simplification it is coming 7/2. Radius is equal to r equal to 7/2. Therefore diameter will be 2r, 2 into 7/2, it is coming 7 centimeter. In this way question of height also completed. Thank you for today's class. Next I do remaining part.